Last year, we launched the sexiest electric road bike to ever hit the market. Thanks to over 10,000 riders around the world, the Babymaker shattered crowdfunding records, raising over $12 million in just 10 weeks. And now, the Babymaker is back and better than ever before. Meet the Babymaker II. It's the love child of classic racing bikes and advanced technology for the modern world. It's smooth, sexy, and ready to ride. When you ride other bikes, you're stuck, a prisoner of your own pedal power. That's why hills are such a drag. So we hit a powerful brushless motor right in the wheel of your Babymaker II. Use it to crush hills, beat traffic, and get to where you're going in record time. Because your time is your life, and you want to make every second count. The beauty is simplicity. The Babymaker II has everything you need and nothing more. You don't need to fumble with keys, Bluetooth, or some pointless app. Just get outside and enjoy the ride. The Babymaker II's unmatched style turns heads everywhere, but nobody knows it's electric. That can be our little secret. Say goodbye to clunky bolt-on batteries. We ditched the ugly cables and hit a high-capacity lithium battery right in the frame. It's got 40% more energy than the original, which means you can ride with pedal assist up to 70 miles per charge. And if you run out of juice, just keep riding as long as you want on your own leg power. It's so lightweight you'll feel like you're riding a bike. Because you are, baby. The Babymaker II has no greasy chain. Instead, it rocks a carbon Gates belt drive, giving you a remarkably smooth ride that's quiet, clean, and maintenance-free. We know riders can't wait to get their hands on these bikes, and we couldn't build the Babymaker 1 fast enough to keep up with demand.
That's why we're building your baby right here in Motor City, aka Detroit.
The Babymaker 2 is already in mass production, but there's a limited quantity we can make. So click that link to order now and tell your friends. You'll be the first to experience the Babymaker 2, a bike that will change the way you think about riding forever.